How to add a location in Google Maps. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google Maps on your device. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the plus icon. Now on this menu page, simply tap on add place. Now enter the place name. Now select the category. Now once you select the category, now enter the address. Now tap on edit map location. Now tap on OK once you're done. Now fill up all the details. If you want to add more details, tap on the arrow down button and fill up another details. Now once you're done, simply tap on submit and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.